Hey everybody, Eric Wagner here with yet another video. In this video I want to talk a little bit about Survey123. Now, if you ever worked with Survey123 and maybe you've had to collect point, line, or polygon data with it, maybe you felt a little bit restricted by the base maps that are available to you, the imagery or the topographic, etc. But in case you weren't aware, with Survey123 you are actually able to create your own web maps and use them as the base maps within Survey123. And that's what we're going to talk about here. So this really kind of requires two things. One, a survey, and two, making sure that you have a web map ready to go. So let's go ahead and jump into it and take a look. So here's our starting point. We have Survey123 Connect. I built out a survey with a couple of simple questions, one of them being a geopoint question to collect the location of something like, let's say, a main break or a leak, something like that. So if we actually take a look at our survey, it looks a little something like this. Just taking a look at it through Survey123 Connect, we can see there's our default base map, or if I wanted to, I could change it to something else, but none of these are custom. These are just the Esri out-of-the-box base maps. Well, in the event that we want to put our own map in here, like I said earlier, we actually need to create that map first. So if I go into ArcGIS Online, I've already created a very simple web map here. You can put in as many layers as you want. It's totally up to you. I recommend keeping it simple just because the map viewer in Survey123 is pretty simple. And in my case here, since this is going to be a survey for main breaks or leaks, all I'm doing is just simply putting in a layer for my mains and quickly labeling them with something like diameter and material, something of that nature. And then make sure we save our map, and I called this map mains map for Survey123. How clever. Now, back here in Survey123 Connect, now that I have my survey and I have my map, I need to bring the two of them together. And the way we do that is through linked content. But before we can link content, that is to say link the web map to this survey, we need to first publish our survey. So on the left-hand side, I'll click Publish Survey. And in my options, I usually turn off Create Web Map. I can always make my own. You can leave it on, totally up to you. Press OK, and click Publish Survey. This will take a couple seconds, but it'll create the new hosted feature layer for my Survey123 survey. All right, now that it's published, I'll press OK, and we can see we now have the ability to link content to the survey. So I'm going to press the Link Content button. And what do I want to link? I want to link an online map, that main map that I created a little while ago. So we can see it's automatically sorted by time here. So mains map for Survey123, the map we had here just a second ago. I'm going to link it. So I'll click on this, press OK. All right, it's linked, but we're not done yet. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on the Update button to pull in that linked content. And if I come down here and click on the Map tab at the very bottom of Survey123 Connect, this is where I can set the defaults for the map within my survey. And I'm going to click on the base map icon over here on the right, and I'm going to choose Main Maps for Survey123. Give it a second to load. Now this is not particularly helpful since this is the Redlands area, but if I were to go ahead real quick and go all the way across the country to my little corner of the world in southeastern Pennsylvania and zoom in, I'll be able to see there's my web map with my mains layer in here. Now, something to keep in mind is that this map is really just meant for viewing purposes, so you're not going to have that ability to click on a feature and learn more about it. Hence the reason why labels can be quite nice for this. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead. I'll just click back to my Form button here. If I even click on the little map icon, we'll see, there we go, that's what this is going to look like for someone out in the field. And since I've made changes, I'll press the Publish button. Still like to make sure Turn Web Map is off. I'll publish my survey. And now that the survey's been published, I'll go ahead, I'll jump into my iPad screen where I have Survey123 installed. In the upper right-hand corner, I'll say Download Surveys, and we'll download the Survey123 map demo. And now that it's been downloaded, we'll be able to open it up, collect data, and now we'll be able to see that that web map there that I'm now using within my survey is pulling on that web map that we have from ArcGIS Online. So in the event you want to create your own maps and make them available in Survey123, that is certainly possible. So what we take a look at? We took a look at making the survey in Survey123. We took a look at having a web map ready to go, and then how to take the contents, link them together, and make your own map available as a base map within Survey123. And to be specific, a survey made with Survey123 Connect. So I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.